If you're starting out in your video marketing journey or restarting because there's never been a better time than right now, and you feel a little overwhelmed with gear, I'm going to share two simple, fairly inexpensive tools that you must have in this 60-second video marketing tip designed to give you a little jumpstart into easy video marketing. First, if what you have right now is just the video camera built into your computer, that's fine. You can record using QuickTime and make a perfectly serviceable video. But why not take it up a notch? Get a little professional polish, get a little better sound, and a better, smoother picture. You're going to use your phone to record the video. You're going to use a selfie stick gimbal as a tripod or a little walk and talk to help you out. And you're going to get a little plug-in lapel microphone like this one. Start with sound, right? If your video picture isn't 100%, viewers might blame their internet connection. But if your sound sucks, they're just going to click off and they're gone forever. So I've used this for years. It's a Rode Smartlav Plus, right? It's made specifically for smartphones. It costs about 60 bucks from B&H Photo. And you want to make sure you get the plug or an adapter that matches your phone. Now the goal with this is to get this microphone as close to your mouth as possible. Not like that, but more kind of collarbone clip-on than mid-chest, okay? And for a better picture, you need to set up the phone, the camera, at the right height on your desk. You want it sort of at eye level. You don't want to be looking down, nose cam, laptop nightmare, and you don't really want to be looking up at the top of your big desktop. Now, I love this smartphone gimbal. It's a selfie stick tripod from DJI. It is called the DJI OM5. It has these attachable tripod legs, right? So that's awesome. And it has a selfie stick sort of thing, so you can get it to the right height. Also, you can get it to the right distance if you're going to do a walk and talk, because it's a gimbal, right? It's designed to balance the camera and smooth out the image if you want to give a little walk and talk, if you want to do a little tour of your place, if you want to, maybe do something with a little bit of movement. It's useful. It's pretty easy, nothing super easy, but it's pretty easy. And it's about 150 bucks from B&H Photo. And, other camera stores, your local camera store probably carries it. I say B&H because I'm a long-time happy customer. I've been buying camera gear there for more decades than I care to admit. But I do not have an affiliate link or anything like that. So these are two little things that make a big difference, right? And there are many similar options for microphones and gimbals, so get what's best for you for sure, but get something good. There are $20 lapel microphones available on Amazon that sound, not so great. Now, the even better news here is that now, with this little arrangement of the microphone, a gimbal, and your phone, you can make simple, effective, timely video, right? Because you have it right there. And then you can instantly upload it to social media, practically in real time. And remember, this is the key thing here. People are interested in real, they're interested in relevant. It has to matter to them. It doesn't matter if it's fancy, right? So, fancy is super nice. You want to have professional, you want to present yourself well, but doesn't have to be fancy. This is the year for video marketing. This is your year. Would you like some support? Learn about our 21-day video marketing jumpstart at socialjumpstart.com/join. And I'll see you in the next video.